just right behind you.
How'd you fail to mention that you might be moving?
Yeah. We're headed to Pinnacles National Park. Here we go.
Nowadays are numbered. Should I try? I wonder. Wait, how far is London?
Come to Paul. Oh, hey.
Hey, Sloth. I'm across the road. Dude, you're not high up. Oh, you're so high up. It's like 3 feet off the
Dude, it's not. It's far.
Ah! Oh my gosh, that looks more painful.
That was that high up.
Oh wow, this is so cool.
Brandon, you want me to hold that so I can give you the shot?
Nah, I want you in the shot. Oh, you're already. What?
Fly back to me. I need my current location.
Wait, where do we go? Up there?
Current location. Fly back to me. Fly back to me.
Sunlight.
Fly back to me.
God, David. Struggle. Nice.
That
How do
was
you
a lot
feel?
harder than I thought.
You say it's just a season. Got the job, so now you're leaving. Kinda hate that reason.
Wow, that's pretty.
Please don't get me wrong. I want what you want, but how long will you be?
Tossed Brandon out. We just threw him out of the window. And got replaced with another annoying person.
Now the party can begin. Do you guys know Obama?
Oh! Obama?
Yeah, made this a national park.
Hey, Daniel. I mean, Brandon. Hey, Daniel. Serious? Brandon!
So
I
how
was filming you.
Oh. Is that your second one?
Yeah, how many do you have?
3. You okay there?
I was laughing.
I need my current location.
Most likely to get lost in the woods while hiking.
Wait.
Wait.
Oh shoot! Oh my gosh.
Steve's got it.
Spazzing.
Let's go, Lum. No. Spaz harder, spaz harder.
Don't make me laugh. He looks sad.
All right, get that tongue out. Stick it out, dude. Come on. Oh, go. Oh. Yeah.
It's going.
Is it?
Yeah, I feel it. I can
you
see
need
my
to-
eyebrows.
Your forehead.
I'm crying. Hold on. I can't. My neck hurts.
What?
Don't make me laugh.
I don't understand that. You mean like the cheek?
My neck.
I gotta be careful.
Help! Breathe. Oh my god.
Forward.
Oh, you have to.
There.
Oh yeah. Wait.
Nice.
Looks like a banana.
A big like cloud of dust just went up. There it is.
Put the knife down.
Put the knife down. Jeez. Oh my god.
She's like in a horror movie.
You want some chicken sausage?
Seriously? Did you get it? Alright, now what are we gonna
No.
do? No! Go, go, go! No! Oh, no. There it is. You got it.
Flip it.
Flip it! Flip it! It's not
To be fly back to me.